Hi guys, now once you've learnt how to solve equations, the next important skill to master is how to form equations. Now, most of the time we like to do this with shapes. So, here we have a question and we're told the perimeter is actually 39. Work out the value of x. So we know that this side plus this one and this one and this one, added all together, is 39. So what we have to do is basically do that using our algebra knowledge. So if we go around and collect all the x's, we have 2, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 x's. And if we add the numbers, we get 10, 13, but this is a take away a 1, so that would be 12. So all of this added together is 6x plus 12, and we know also that all of them added together is 39. So these two things must be equal, and therefore we have formed an equation. Now for this equation, there are only x's on one side, so we'll keep them there, and this number is in the wrong place, so we need to take away 12, and 6x will be 27. Now, you'll notice that this is not a factor of this number, so it's 27 over 6. So we're dividing by 6x, sorry, if we have 6x, we're dividing by 6 to find our remaining 1x. Now, that is the same as, well, 4 of those go into 27, so that's 4 with 3 remainder, or that's 4.5, or even 4.5. So they can make it a little bit harder having a decimal or fraction. Okay, this one. So we have another shape, and we're told the values of these angles in terms of algebra, and we need to work out what the value of the largest one is. So we're going to add up all these angles, and you should be able to tell me in a four-sided shape what these angles add up to, which is 360. So an x plus an x, 2x, 4x, so we have 5 x's. Now, 80 plus 30 is 110. Take away the 50 is 60. So this is an expression for all of these added together, and we know they equal 360 because it's a four-sided shape. Take away the 60 to get the 5x on its own is 300, and therefore x, if you divide by 5, is 60. So the largest angle, well, it's not going to be this one, that's going to be 10. It's either going to, you can see that this one is only having 30 added on, and this one is adding on 80. And you can also see that this is obtuse. So if that's 60, this one's 140. And if that's 60, double it is 120. So the answer to the largest angle would be 140. Now, this is slightly harder, this one, because they're not telling you the value of the perimeter. That's what they want you to work out. Now, you should see these marks, or these, and know that this is a special type of triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. I sat on Southsea Common eating lovely egg sandwiches. Easy way to spell it. And on an isosceles triangle, you should know that these two sides are the same length, which means that this expression here must equal to this expression here. So, if I write that they are equal using our equal sign, you can see an equation has formed. Subtract the 3x to both sides. You get this. The number terms, this one's on the wrong side, so we need to add 8 to remove it. And therefore we can solve it to x to be 2. Now if x is 2, we can now work out the exact length of these. So 3 2's, 6, plus another 2, that must be 8. And just to make sure we've done this right, if we substitute it in here as well, if it's equal to 8, we know we've done it correctly. So 8 times 2 is 16. Take away an 8 is also 8. So the perimeter of this whole isosceles triangle is 8 plus 8, 16, plus the 5, 21. So that equals 21 centimeters. I know it's centimeters because it says it down there.